Chapter 6. Impact of British Rule. Exercises. 1. Answer the following in a sentence each. 1. Who introduced the permanent zamindari system? Answer. The Governor General Cornwallis introduced the permanent zamindari system. 2. What is Rayatwari system? Answer. The system where the farmers could directly remit the land tax to treasury, without any intermediaries is Rayatwari system. 3. How much money was set aside for Indian education in the Charter Act of 1813? Answer. 1 lakh rupees was set aside for Indian education, in the Charter Act of 1813. 4. Who implemented the Regulating Act? And when? Answer. The Governor General Warren Hastings implemented Regulating Act, in 1773. 5. Which are the Indian universities established in 1857? Answer. Bombay, Calcutta and Madras universities are established in 1857. 2. Discuss in group and answer the following. 1. How did permanent zamindari system influence the farmers? Answer. The zamindars exploited the farmers by collecting excess land tax. The tenant farmers were forced to pay their share even though crops had failed. Permanent zamindari system resulted in growth of bonded labor. 2. Explain the impact of Western education. Answer. Western education enabled Indians from different languages to interact in English among themselves. This gave impetus to the growth of nationalism. Western education led to new literary movements. 3. Mention some of the important constitutional reforms in India. Answer. Some of the important constitutional reforms in India are Regulating Act, Pitt's India Act, Morley-Minto reforms, Montagu, Chelmsford reforms and 1935 Act. 3. Match the following items mentioned in A, with information given in B. Answer. A. B. 1. Warren Hastings. C. Collection of tax by auction. 2. Cornwallis. A. Permanent zamindari system. 3. Thomas Munro. A. Rayatwari system. 4. William Bentinck. B. English education. 5. Dadabhai Navroji. D. Wealth drain theory.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.